So there's a new AI tool called Clove, which is essentially just the cursor of video editing. You can upload a bunch of video clips and then you can prompt AI about the things that you want to make on the video, and AI will take care the rest of it. It will try to find the section that you want to include in the video and then will create the full video with just a simple prompting. So the company behind it just released a quick video demo about how this tool actually works, and on the surface it looks quite impressive. If you have done video editing, then you know that it is not easy. It is a tedious process. It's going to take a lot of time even for making a simple or 1-minute video. It is not the nicest thing in the world. So this AI will help you generate at least the initial draft of the video, which later maybe you can export to maybe Adobe Premiere so you can do further editing, and it will save you a lot of time. This is the demo that they provided on their X account. It looks quite interesting, but unfortunately I have done a quick testing about this tool, but it doesn't seem to be working well for some reason. Maybe because the tool is still very new, or maybe there are too many people using the tools at the same time. That's why I'm seeing the error message. But I'll try to use this tool again. Now let's navigate to joinclove.com, and then you can click the button to get started. And here is what it will look like. So previously I tried to edit my video that I just uploaded to my channel, but it just doesn't seem to do anything for some reason. So I'll try to do it again. You have to click on this upload button, and you have to upload the video that you want to edit. Now I will try the video of this YouTube shorts from Mr. Beast. It is very simple, just 47-second video, and basically my goal here is that I want to make this video from 47 seconds to just 30 seconds, or maybe even less than that, because there are a lot of segments in this video that are not very important. So let's see if AI can actually understand that. Now let's go back to Clove, and I will try to upload the video. And here I will try to explain to AI that please make this video shorter, preferably less than 30 seconds. So that's my prompt, and I'm going to click this button and then just wait for AI to actually do the first version of the video. Yeah, it's going to take quite a while. It's maybe going to take about 10 to 20 minutes depending on the length of the video. So I'll be back when it is finished. Alright, this is the result, and as you can see, it is not the video that I'm trying to edit. I was trying to edit this video, but instead it is referring to this file, which is the previous file on my project. It is not the video that I want to work with. And what's unique about it is that there is this annoying blocky, something like when you are playing an old CD, you're going to see some glitch like this. So I don't know what's going on, but I suspect it is the way this tool actually works, that there is going to be some remote computer somewhere, and it is streaming all the data, streaming all the screen into this editor. That's why I'm seeing this artifact, which is very, very common, but that's just my speculation. But if I send another message for something like, please edit the video, you'll see that there's nothing happen. So I don't know why, but I suppose because it's still very early, it's not actually doing a lot of editing, doing something that actually I'm asking for. So yeah, that's really the problem of this tool. So it used to be 47 seconds, but now it is actually not editing my video. And according to the answer, the clips are placed chronologically based on the file creation time. Both clips are included in the final sequence. There is only one clip, by the way, and even that, the final video is actually not less than 30 seconds, and this is only one video. Oh, there is actually another one. Oh, there you go, there's this one. But yeah, this is really quite interesting. This is not exactly video editing. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I want you to make this video shorter. Let me send that, and let's see if AI can actually do the editing. So previously, I think it was an UX UI problem because it is still showing my previous project. So I think the way it works is that you have to delete the videos that you just uploaded to this platform when you're working on one project, but you have to, I think there is something going on here? Yeah, it is actually putting my previous video again, even though I have removed that video from the project. Yeah, I still need to learn how to use this, but definitely from my point of view, it is not quite user-friendly. But I'm hoping that Clove app will get better, will eventually allow people to literally edit video with just prompting. So I guess that's just my quick review, quick test drive about this AI tool. It's not perfect, still very, very rough, but I'm hoping that this will get better. Anyway, if you want to see more update about this tool, or if you want to see more AI tools that might be useful, then subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.